Hello, good morning, students. Today we will discuss some terms which are very important in the chapter Matter in Our Surrounding. First important term is diffusion. Simply, it is known as intermixing of the particles of two different substances, and it may be defined as the mixing and spreading out of a substance with another substance due to movement of particles, called as diffusion. It is the process of two different substances in which they can intermix to each other. For example, when we add some crystals of potassium permanganate. What is potassium permanganate? It is a type of colored salt. In water, the whole water become purple or colored due to the process of diffusion, because the particle of salt diffuses in whole water gradually, and after some time whole water become a constant purple in color. Diffusion of gases is very fast as compared to solid and liquid. Why? In case of gases it is highest because gases have the particle of gases have very high energy, and the energy due to motion is known as kinetic energy. So the gaseous particle have higher kinetic energy as compared to solid and liquid. So diffusion of gases is very fast after that liquid and very minimum in case of solid. Next important characteristics property of solid is rigid, and tendency having rigid structure is known as rigidity. It is characteristics property of solid. It may be defined as the property of solid, which means unbending or inflexible. Unbending means that cannot be easily bent and cannot be have property of flexible, like stone, metal and wood all are rigid substance. Solid have tendency to maintain their shapes because the particles are closely arranged. Next, characteristics property is fluid, and it is characteristics property for liquid and gases because the particles of liquid have space between them and the particles of gases have very large space between them. They are always in motion, so both the substances have the tendency to flow, and this property is known as fluidity. A liquid is a substance that have tendency to flow, so a container is required to keep them. A gas is also a fluid form of matter which fills whole container. So fluid is the property of liquid and gases, and very high fluidity property in case of gas as compared to liquid. Next important term is melting. It is also known as fusion. Next, boiling, and then condensation, and then freezing. All these processes are interconvergent to each other. It is the interconvergent process. First one is melting, also known as fusion, the process of converting a solid into liquid after heating. The point of temperature at which a solid melts and changes into liquid at atmospheric pressure called as melting point. For example, the melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade temperature. Next is the boiling. It is one of the important characteristics property, and the process in which liquid changes into gas again on heating. So liquid when changed into gas or vapor on heating, the process is known as boiling. And the point of temperature at which a liquid boils and changes rapidly into a gas at atmospheric pressure called as boiling point. Next is the condensation, the process in which the gas or vapor changes into liquid by cooling method, known as condensation, and it is the reverse of boiling. Next term, freezing, the process in which liquid change into solid by cooling, and the process is also known as solidification. So one form, it is the phase or state transformation from one state to another state. The process in which solid change into liquid on heating is known as melting, and it can be reversed by the cooling of liquid by cooling at very low temperature of liquid, and the process is known as freezing. The liquid on heating, or we can say by boiling, it can be changed into gas or vapor, and when a gas particles can be cooled, it become reversed and change into liquid. Process is known as condensation. So some important terms like diffusion, intermixing of two particles of two different substances; rigidity, the property of solid; fluid, property of liquid and gases; melting, also known as fusion, in which solid change into liquid on heating; and the temperature at which melting of a substance takes place is known as melting point. Next is the boiling, the process in which liquid on heating change into gas, and the temperature at which the boiling of a substance occur is known as boiling point. For example, the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade temperature. Condensation, the process in which gas or vapors by cooling changing into liquid, it is the reverse of boiling. And what is the freezing? When liquid substance on cooling change into solid, process is known as solidification, and all these states can be interconverted into each other by the help of two important process. First is by the help of temperature, and second one is pressure.